In this video, I'm going to show you how to place a drawing onto a drawing sheet in Revit. So I'm here on my A101 sheet. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to grab my level 1 floor plan. I'm going to drag this over like this. Now the next thing I want to do is I want to center this on the page. So to do that, I'm going to double click, and that's going to activate my viewport. So you'll see that my title block is now gray. And I can now edit this floor plan just like I would if I was in the floor plan view. I'm going to grab the dimension real quick, and then I'm just going to make sure that this green architectural reference plane is actually in the center of my drawing. So I'm going to place it like that. You can see this side's maybe a little bit bigger, but if I just hit this button right here that has the EQ with the line through it, that's going to move that green line so that I now have two equal sides, and I'm going to do that with the other one as well. And then once I'm done with that, I'm going to delete these dimensions and unconstrain it. And now that I've done that, I'm going to click outside of my view. So if I double click out, I'm now back on my sheet view. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw some detail lines to figure out where the center of this drawing space is. So I'm going to draw a line across like that, and then a line up right there. So that helps me find the center of my drawing space. Now I can move this just with my cursor. So I'm going to click this once, click the viewport just once, and what I can now do is I can use my move tool, and I can snap to these green reference lines, but you'll notice that I'm not snapping to anything else in my drawing. And that's because we're not in the view, we're still on the sheet. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this one, and I'm going to drag it over to this line that we've drawn right here. And then I'm going to click this one and drag this one down right here. And now that I'm done, I'm going to come delete these reference lines that I've drawn. And now our drawing is in the center of our title block. And then the last thing that I need to do is just to make sure that I grab my view title. I'm just going to get this up close like this. And then I just need to click the view once, and you'll now see I have a blue dot right here, and this allows me to change this so that it's not going over the page. So I'm just going to bring that in like that. I might just pull this up just a little bit more too. And now I have a drawing that is centered on my sheet. So that's how you get a view on there. And then the next thing that we'll do is we'll work on getting this printed out, and I'll show you that in the next video.